Hello, my name is Nagasai Purvaj and my topic is full adder with behavioral modeling. And before going on to the topic, we have to know what is full adder. So this is the full adder circuit. So this is the full adder's block diagram. In the full adder is a 3-bit adder where it adds the 3 bits and gives us the output as sum and carry. And this is the circuit diagram of the full adder. The circuit diagram of a ladder. Here there is here there are two XOR gates, and two AND gates and an OR gate. The first XOR gates output is given to the second XOR gates input, and the XOR gates output is also given as the input to the AND gate. Now the AND gate now here the two inputs A and B are given to the AND gate, and the outputs of AND gates are given to the OR gate. So this is how the circuit diagram is connected. So here we will also have the carry or C. Here we also have the C. So in this circuit, this is the circuit diagram, and this is the realization of full adder with two half adders. As we know from before, the half adder is the circuit with A and B inputs. Here the A and B inputs and output is sum and carry, and this is the and we have to take two half adders to make a full adder. The half adder output is connected to an input of one half adder, and an input of second half adder is taken as the Cin, and sum of an output of an second half adder is taken as sum, and the half adders both carries are added or the OR gate is connected here. So this is how you realize the full adder, and this is the truth table for full adder. Here in this truth table we can see clearly that if both ones are added, then we will generate the sum is equal to 0 and carry is 1. And here the and for the only one, so if only one is there, then the sum will be 1. So this is the logic for we will use this logic to make the full adder, to make the behavioral modeling of full adder. And here in this case we have three inputs, then we will get sum 1 and carry 1. This is the logic we will use to make the program. So this is the program. Here we will use the library, IEEE library, and first, before going on to the behavioral modeling, we have to give the entity declaration. In the entity declaration we are giving the port type A and O, where the A is the three inputs A0, A1 and A2, and here the A0 is the A0, and here the O has 0 and 1, which is we will take this as the output. And here we are using the structural modeling, so here we are using the behavioral modeling, so we are using the architecture as the behavioral of entity. So then we have to begin, and we have to take the process of A, which is the input. So this is the, as we have discussed before, this is the logic we are using. In this we are using this logic where the 0 0 1 or z a, if A is 0 1 0 or A is 1 0 0 or A is 1 then the output or sum A1 not 1, O of 1 is 1, or else it is 0. So this is the logic. And for carry we will use the similar logic. When the both ones are 1, then the carry will be 1. So here we will take the inputs as both carries, both ones. So 0 0 1 1 and 1 0 1, and 110 and 111, then output will be 1 or else it is 0. And this is the waveforms which are generated in this. We can clearly observe that see, the A has first four inputs as 1, first four inputs as 0, and next four inputs are 1. And for next B value, we have taken first first two inputs as 0, second two inputs as zeros, third two inputs are 0, and fourth two inputs are 1. And for C, we have taken the alternate inputs or 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. And here we can clearly observe that output, which is the sum. We have generated this sum as 0 1, output is 1. Here 0 1 1, output is 0. Here the input is 0 1 0, the output is 1. And here we can clearly observe by this thing. So out here 0 1 and 1, then the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. In this case, this is the behavioral modeling. So
thank you.